Introducing online shopping in Thailand, Lazada. Here's the story of when I bought a coffee machine the other day. The most popular online shopping platform in Thailand is Lazada.
I want to enjoy delicious coffee at home. All right, I'll buy a coffee machine. Speaking of coffee, Nescafe is well known. When I looked it up online, it was 5,500 baht. That's expensive. Oh, right. Let's check Lazada for online shopping. With Lazada, I can shop online easily. I don't need to go to a store, and returning items is simple. Plus, the prices are cheaper. I found a cheap coffee machine. The brand is Kafelf. The price is 1,799 baht. That's really cheap. Is it okay? But the customer reviews are high, and the reputation is good. I can watch a video for the product description. The description says it's an all-in-one machine. What does that mean? Nescafe has two types of coffee capsules. The large capsules are for Dolce Gusto, and the small ones are for Nespresso. So, Nescafe has two types of coffee machines, one for Dolce Gusto and one for Nespresso. Is Kafelf a compatible machine for Nescafe capsules? Can Kafelf use both Dolce Gusto and Nespresso capsules in one coffee machine? Plus, it can also use coffee grounds like an espresso machine. Recently, affordable compatible capsules for Nescafe have also become more common. The Kafelf coffee machine is amazing. After buying this coffee machine, I realized that an espresso machine makes coffee tastier than a drip coffee maker. Why is that? Does compressing the coffee make it taste better? I can enjoy delicious coffee every day, and I'm very satisfied with the Kafelf coffee machine. How is it? Lazada's online shopping is simple, convenient, and affordable.